Hi guys, welcome to my channel. HP EliteBook Touchpad is not working, so how to fix? So guys, first please check the touchpad it's unable or disable. Click to start and then click to setting. Then click Bluetooth and device and scroll down touchpad. Click if it is off, so please turn on it, okay? And then close it. Then next check the device manager. Click to start type device manager. Open it. Then find out human interface device. So you can see this is a touchpad driver. Right click to uninstall and uninstall it. You can see here ELAN touchpad I2C. Okay, then uninstall it. After the uninstall, click on the action and then click scan hardware changes. So it will come back again. If in this case your touchpad is not working, so you can use external mouse, okay, and then close it. Then need to install the latest driver. Open any browser, okay, Google search box to type, okay, Elite book, which is your modem, which is you are using, no worry, type driver and then hit enter. So first one is official website, okay, select the operating system which is using, then click to submit it. Scroll down, extract keyboard and mouse, you can see mouse driver, so this is touchpad driver, and click to download. After that it will start downloading, okay, otherwise go to back. And which generation also using, you can download like G10, okay. It is already started downloading. Then slow down, same, extract the keyboard and mouse. This is fingerprint driver, okay, so this is actual driver, so you can download and install it. So it is already started. Then it is downloaded, then single click to open. After that click to next. This is actually a mouse driver. Next, I accept, next, next. Okay, so now it is extracting and installing. After that this is driver, next, accept. This is, you can see it's showing touchpad driver, next. You can see it's successfully installed, okay, and then click to finish it. And after that guys, need to restart your system and then please check it. And if your issue resolves, so please comment me, and if not, you also comment. I will create another video and also share your deep specifications, okay, then I can create easily of your model number and you can, okay. Thank you.